If your HP Smart Tank printer is showing offline, unavailable, or your computer can't find it on Wi-Fi, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 4 simple steps to restore the Wi-Fi connection and get your printer back online. We'll check the printer's network status, restart your devices, reset the printer's network settings, reconnect using the HP Smart app, and finally run HP Smart's built-in Diagnose and Fix tool. Let's get started and bring your printer back online. Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen. Before you start, check if the Wi-Fi icon is solid. If it's blinking, the printer is in setup mode. Keep the printer within 8 meters, 26 feet of the router. Make sure your printer and computer or mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Press the Information I button to print a network report and verify the network name. Plug the printer directly into a wall outlet. Step 1. Restart your devices. Close all apps and restart your computer. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the printer and wall outlet. Wait 60 seconds. Plug the power cord back into the wall outlet and printer. Turn the printer back on. Try printing again. Step 2. Reset printer network settings. For HP Smart Tank 670, 720, 750, 7000 and 7300 series, press and hold the Information I button for 5 seconds. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons together for 5 seconds. The Wi-Fi light will start blinking blue. For HP Smart Tank 790 and 7600 series, open menu. Select Settings. Select Network. Choose Reset Network Settings. Tap OK. The printer will stay in Wi-Fi setup mode for 2 hours. Do not press the Wi-Fi button during this time. Step 3. Reconnect using HP Smart app. Download and open the HP Smart app if needed. Update your computer or mobile device. Turn on Bluetooth. Mobile users should also enable location services. If the printer already appears in HP Smart, hide or remove it. Select Add Printer or tap the plus icon. Choose your printer and select Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the printer to Wi-Fi. Once setup is complete, your printer is ready to print. Step 4. Run Diagnose and Fix. Windows and Mac only. Open HP Smart. On Windows, click the wrench icon. On Mac, select Printers. Diagnose and Fix. Click Start. Wait for the tool to finish and follow any recommended fixes. Your HP Smart Tank printer should now be connected and printing normally. Like the video and subscribe for more printer fixes. If your printer is still showing errors after trying all the methods, call the helpline number shown on the screen for further assistance.